Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be sharing with you a very simple and quick okra soup recipe. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cook the ox feet, that's the kotodwe, goat meat, and then beef until it's tender. Just put it in your saucepan, add water, and then cover and allow it to cook. So the next thing I'm going to do is to prep the okra. So I'm going to use this side of the grater to grate some of the okra, and then the remaining one I will be slicing them. You can use whichever method that you want. I mostly use the two so that I could feel the okra in the soup. Okay, so once you're done grating, just put it in a bowl and set it aside. And then the next thing is to slice your remaining okra and then add it to the first one. So once I'm done slicing the okra, I'll go ahead and add it to the grated okra, add water, and then mix everything together, and then allow this to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. So after 8 minutes, I'll go ahead and add some sliced white onions. You can use the red one, and then some frozen spinach. You can also use the fresh spinach, which is fine, or whichever leaves that you want, it's okay. Stir everything together and then give it extra 2 minutes, and then once it's done, turn off the heat and set it aside. So the next thing I'll be doing is to blend some ingredients for steaming the meat. Okay, so in a blender I added onions, red chilies, garlic, ginger, scallions, green chilies, rosemary, cloves, locust bean, that's the dawadawa. So once everything goes inside, add water and then blend. At this point, I'll check on the meat, which is already tender. So I'm going to add beef skin, that's what we call Pomo or woley, and then add the blended ingredient, mix everything together, and then add your spices. So I'm just going to add salt and then beef seasoning, but you can add any spices of your choice. Once it goes inside, stir everything together and then cover and allow it to steam on medium heat for 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, I will be adding palm oil. Please make sure your palm oil tastes really good before you add it so that it can improve the flavor of your okra soup. Okay, mix everything together and then cover and give it extra 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so after 7 minutes, it's time to add the cooked okra. Yes, just add everything and then mix everything together. Please, before you add the okra, make sure to taste your seasoned meat. If the salt is not enough, you can go ahead and add. Mine was okay for me, so I'll just add my okra. No need to add salt when you add the okra, so that the okra will still be slimy. Okay, cover and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, the soup is ready. It smells so good. The meat is tender and then the okra is still slimy. All right, so just turn off the heat and then get your banku or eba or fufu ready and then enjoy. Trust me, if you want your okra to be slimy, it's not about adding saltpeter, what we call a kiln. Just don't add salt. Put all your spices and salt on the meat and then just boil the okra separately and then add. All right, that's the secret that I will be sharing with you today. This was so delicious and I hope you give it a try. My banku is ready and then I'm also ready to enjoy. Thank you very much for watching this recipe. Please, if you like this recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe and share. Stay tuned for more and amazing recipes. Please, to my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel. Don't forget to leave your comment, and then please check in the description box for all the correct ingredients and measurement. All right, stay tuned for more. God bless you all. Bye.